Probably have come across these orange cat videos on TikTok or on YouTube Shorts. So this kind of videos is currently making waves on the internet, and a lot of people are in it to go viral on TikTok and on YouTube Shorts. You can see the kind of views that these videos is currently gathering. There is 11.2 million views, there is 10.1 million views. Is literally raking in millions and millions of views, and this is something you can do, and I'll be showing you how to do this shortly. So the first step in doing this is in creating your image prompt, and to do this you need to head over to ChatGPT. What you need to do is get a screenshot of the orange cat, upload it on ChatGPT, and tell ChatGPT to analyze the image above and give you a prompt that properly describes the orange cat appearance. And ChatGPT is going to give you a prompt that looks exactly like this. The next thing you need is a proper story that you could use to create this video. So what you're going to do is to tell ChatGPT to generate a series of scenes featuring a cat cooking, starting with the cat shopping for groceries, carefully selecting the ingredients, and then moving through the stage of preparing the meal, cooking it, and finally sitting down to enjoy the meal. So very quickly, if you need this prompt that I'll be using for this video, quickly type "I need a prompt" in the comment section, and I will send the prompt directly to you. So after you've put in this second prompt, ChatGPT is going to give you different scenes that you can use to generate an image to turn to a video. So you can see scene 1, a trip to the market, prepping the ingredients, which is scene 2, scene 3, the cooking begins, kitchen mishap, and so on and so forth. So it's going to give you a series of prompts that you can tweak this prompt to suit your taste and the style you want to use. Next thing you're going to tell ChatGPT to do is to provide prompts to generate images for each scene, ensuring that each prompt include detailed descriptions of the animal to maintain consistency across the images. And ChatGPT is going to give you a result like this. It's going to generate a prompt that properly describes each scene for you, making it easy for you to create the images. After you've done that, the last but not the least is to put in a prompt that will help generate consistency in the image generation. So what you need to do is to tell ChatGPT to please structure the prompt by first describing the environment, followed by the detail about the time of the day, and then include a description of the character appearance, what they are wearing, followed by the color and features of the animal. And you go ahead to tell it to add it to all of the prompts to ensure that the entire description flows. So this, once you put in this prompt, is going to generate a consistent image prompt that you can use across different scenes of your cat video. So it's going to give you a result that looks like this. What you need to do is to go ahead and copy the first prompt that it gave to you. Head over to ideogram.ai. I'll be dropping the link to this website in the description or in the pinned comment. But if you also need it, do well to type in the comment section that you need the link to this website and it will be sent to you. So on this website, you would need to register with your email address. Once you're done registering, come over to this part that says describe what you see and paste the first prompt. After pasting the first prompt, come over to aspect ratio and set the aspect ratio to 9:16, as this is the right aspect ratio for YouTube Shorts and for TikTok videos. Once you've done this, go ahead and hit generate, and it's going to generate something that looks like this for you. All you need to do is to just pick the one that you want. This is looking more like the orange cat, so you can go ahead and pick this one if this is what works for you. And you can also remix if that's not what you want, and or retry to get a different result. So I'll be going with this one, so I'll just go ahead and click on download. Once it is downloaded, head over to Hailuo AI and you would have an interface like this. Just type Hailuo AI on your search bar and you get an interface that looks like this. You also need to register on this website to use it. So click on quick create. So once you click on quick create, come over to this part and click on create video. You need to upload the image that you want to turn to a video in this part. So come over to this part and click on it, and then you head over to pick the image you want to use. So I'm going with this one and I'll pick it. You go back to chatgpt and copy the prompt that it gave you to generate that first image. You copy it and then you come over to this Hailuo AI, come over to this part where you need to put it the prompt. Just at this part, click on it and paste the prompt. Now I want to say something. Please note that this same image generation, this is for one image. You would have to generate this same image for all the scenes so that you can get a perfect video. So you have to generate different image for different scenes on ideogram.ai. Please do not forget this. And once you've done it for each image, put in the prompt that was used to generate the image on this part. Once you're done with all that, head over to this part and click on create. It's going to take a few minutes to create, and once it is done, you're going to get a result that looks like this. So this is for the second image I generated on this website. If you do not like it, you can come over to click on recreate to recreate it, or you can just work on your prompt and edit until you get what you desire. Now after doing this, head over to this part that has download to download it. Now you can either download with watermark or you can click to remove watermark. But to remove watermark, you would have to subscribe to their paid plan. But I'll be going on with watermark. I would show you how to smartly remove watermark from your video very shortly for free. So once you've downloaded it, head over to Filmora, CapCut, or whatever editing website you use. I actually use Filmora and I'll be doing this on Filmora. Please know that this can work on other platforms. And I also want to let you know that whatever I'm doing here would work perfectly on your smartphone. So this is not just for system users. Anybody that with a smartphone can still do this. So all you just need to do is to just upload all your videos like it is here and drag all of them to the timeline. So once you've dragged it on the timeline, what the next one we need to do is to remove the watermark that was seen on the video. So click on the first one or whichever one that you want to click on, and then go ahead to drag it this way, just like I'm dragging it here, and then set it in a way that the watermark will not be visible. Do this for the whole of your video. So the next thing you need to put in is your sound. You can actually get this sound on Pixabay, on Pixels, or any other free sound collection platform. And you can also get this on TikTok, like the sound I'm currently using. I just extracted it from TikTok. So once you've put in the sound and everything is to your taste, you are going to get a result that looks like this. You can see how flawless this is looking. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel to get more videos like this. If you also need the prompts and links to the website that I use to generate this, do want to drop a comment in the comment section and I'll send them to you. Bye.